Hi Active Ideas. Today I got another questions about how to edit PDF files. So today I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF files with Microsoft Word. Yes, you didn't hear me wrong. We are going to edit a PDF files with Microsoft Word. So how can we do it? First, I have prepared a PDF files as you can see over here, and then Microsoft Word. Then I will click open on my PDF. Hit OK over here, and the Word will convert it and process it. And as you can see, Microsoft is working hard on converting our PDF files. So let it works. If you still have a old Microsoft Words like 2007, 2010, I would like to suggest you to upgrade it to Microsoft Word 2016. Why? Because this PDF converting is integrated directly in Microsoft Word in 2016. We are still waiting. Here Microsoft Word is still working hard. PDF contain interactive features. Sometimes this happens if your PDF have an interactive features or something that cannot be converted by Microsoft Word. So we just click OK over here. Done. And this one is our PDF files. Sometimes you will get the read-only files over here, so you have to click enable it first to edit the PDF files. Once you're done, you're going to be able to edit the PDF files. As you can see, my PDF files can be changed over here. I can select the text and then I can do whatever I want. Once you're done with your editing, you can hit save button over here and it will say like this: file name, save as type. Don't forget to change it into a PDF again if you want it to be PDF. So I'm going to change this one as edited. Once it's done, hit the save button and then that's it. So that's my tutorial, 2 minutes tutorial for how to edit PDF files with Microsoft Word. Goodbye and see you again, Active Ideas.